What if I told you there's a company that doesn't just promise clean energy, but actually cleans the air while making it? It sounds like science fiction, but Alléo Energy is making it a reality right now. Forget net zero. They're aiming for net negative. Imagine turning a pile of wood chips and forest waste not just into fuel, but into a solution for climate change. That's exactly what Alléo is doing. They're creating green hydrogen, one of the most sought-after clean fuels, but with a revolutionary twist. For years, the biggest hurdle for green hydrogen has been its cost and energy demand. The common method, electrolysis, zaps huge amounts of electricity, about 55 to 60 kilowatt hours, just to produce 1 kilogram of hydrogen. This makes it expensive and dependent on massive renewable energy farms. Alléo flips the script. Instead of electricity and water, they use biomass, things like sawdust and agricultural leftovers. This biomass has already done the hard work, capturing carbon from the atmosphere as it grew. Alléo's proprietary process then heats this waste in a controlled environment, releasing hydrogen gas and leaving behind a solid, carbon-rich material called biochar. The results are staggering. According to their data, their method uses less than 20 kilowatt hours of energy per kilogram of hydrogen. That's a massive 63% reduction in power consumption compared to electrolysis. This could completely change the economics of green hydrogen, making it affordable and accessible. But here's the most incredible part. While producing this clean fuel, their process captures and locks away carbon. For every single kilogram of hydrogen they create, they claim to permanently sequester 6 kilograms of carbon dioxide equivalent. They're not just avoiding emissions, they're actively removing carbon from the atmosphere. It's like running a factory in reverse. Their first demonstration plant is up and running in Bay Minette, Alabama, a region rich in forestry resources. This isn't just a lab experiment. Reports from H2 Tech and Global Hydrogen Review confirm their facility is operating continuously, producing over 100 kilograms of hydrogen for every ton of biomass processed. This proves their technology is stable and ready to scale. And what about that biochar byproduct? It's not waste, it's a gold mine. This high-purity graphitic carbon can be used to enrich agricultural soil, helping it retain water and nutrients while locking carbon in the ground for centuries. It also has high-tech applications, potentially replacing fossil carbon in steelmaking or becoming a key ingredient in batteries and advanced electronics. This brilliant 2-for-1 model, selling both hydrogen and biochar, means Alléo could become profitable without relying on government subsidies, a holy grail in the clean energy sector. They're also expanding into renewable diesel, showing their ambition to tackle decarbonization on multiple fronts. Of course, like any groundbreaking technology, there are challenges. Alléo needs to provide transparent third-party verification of their claims to win over investors and scale up. Managing a consistent supply of waste biomass is no small feat, and building new facilities is capital-intensive. However, the timing couldn't be better. With policies like the Inflation Reduction Act in the U.S., there are strong financial incentives for both hydrogen production and carbon removal. Alléo is perfectly positioned to benefit from both. Think about the global impact. In regions with lots of forestry or agricultural waste but limited renewable electricity, Alléo's technology could be a game changer. They could build modular plants around the world, creating decentralized hubs for clean energy and carbon removal, turning local waste problems into local energy solutions. Alléo's approach represents a profound shift in our relationship with carbon. For so long, we've seen it as the enemy. This company reframes carbon as a valuable resource and building block for a sustainable future. By turning waste into wealth and pollution into products, they're creating a truly circular economy. The company's name, Alléo, comes from the French word aller, which means to go. It's a fitting name for a company showing us the way forward. They are proving that we can power our world without destroying it, and that human ingenuity can solve our biggest challenges. This isn't just about a new fuel. It's about a new way of thinking, This is how we go forward. If you found this story as inspiring as I did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the technologies shaping our future. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.